crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and today we are on day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas with the Ginger Quilter. So this is next to the last day. It's 12 days. We are on day 11 ourselves. Not sure when some others started and how they've gone, but this is our day 11. So with that said, this is our what was in the box for us today. Anxious to see, too, what tomorrow brings, knowing that we are right there at the end. And so, day 11, right? 11. Day 11 brings us 2 quilt patterns of your choice by Cluck Cluck Sew. I have never seen anything or looked at anything from Cluck Cluck Sew. It says use the coupon code below for a $20 credit to cluckclucksewshop.com. So I would suggest, if you have not been out there, go out to Cluck Cluck Sew Shop, take a look and see what's out there, because obviously Natalie and over at the Ginger Quilter like some of the patterns, like some of the things that's there. Pretty awesome that we get 2 patterns of our choice. So I'm assuming the patterns run around $10 each, which is a good value. And my fear is that they may have more than 2 that I want. But I do have until the middle of January to do this, but I will probably do it sooner rather than later. So with that said, that is day 11 with the Ginger Quilter with the 12 days of Christmas. Tomorrow will be our final video and our final gift out of the Ginger Quilter box. But we appreciate you tuning in, listening to me rattle on a little bit about what was in each box. You've landed in Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and until next time, happy crafting!